Hello, in this video I want to show you how to put in SD card to your 70 MIA Dash Cam A400. So in order to do this, first let's look on the side of the device. It's right here where the plug connects to the power. Now we'll need to open this micro SD slot like this. Take your card and simply put it in, and it needs to be like this side. Now simply use your fingernail to put it in place. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.